Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Crypto Report. I am your host, Winklefloss Nakamoto. It's going to be a busy day today. Let's get right into it. 10 best and worst performing altcoins of crypto winter 2018 by Alan Scott. While Bitcoin has once again showed the cryptocurrency space who's boss during this year's bear market, there are a few altcoin exceptions that have fared relatively well. Here are some of the best and worst performing cryptocurrencies of Q1 2018. Towards the end of 2017, Bitcoin reached an all-time high price of $20,089 USD. At that time, the entire cryptocurrency market was red hot, as the total capitalization peaked at around $820 billion in early January, according to CoinMarketCap. In retrospect, even when fake currencies like the now defunct BitConnect reached a price of over $400, most savvy traders knew the market was overdue for a massive correction. With today's Bitcoin price in recovery mode, this crypto winter correction may be coming to an end, as Fundstrat Global Advisors Tom Lee has declared. However, the current price still translates to a 58% drop from its all-time high, according to data from Athcoin Index. What's more, as Bitcoin price plummeted, most of the altcoin market dropped even faster. Looking at the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap, however, the top 10 altcoins that fared relatively well, excluding Tether for obvious reasons, during this downtrend include Zhao down 41.19%, Bytum down 51.61%, Litecoin down 57.72%, Eternity down 58.06%, Monero down 58.06%, Binance Coin down 60%, Decred down 61.22%, Ethereum Classic down 61%, Omis Go down 62%, and Ethereum down 63.92%. Noticeably, only Zhao, Bytum, and Litecoin fared even a little better than Bitcoin. The relative resilience of this bunch could be attributed to having more solid fundamentals as compared to the worst performers. For example, the least affected cryptocurrency, Zhao, tokenizes gold on Ethereum. This could explain its resilience and ability to weather the storm due to its association with gold, the historic bulwark against market turbulence. Meanwhile, others such as Monero, Litecoin, and Ethereum are perennial favorites in the cryptocurrency space, with thriving online communities and support, thus providing much stronger fundamentals for long-term investors and hodlers. Out of the top 20 coins, Litecoin is ranked second in terms of drop from each coin's respective ATH. Litecoin creator Charlie Lee wrote on Twitter recently. He added, Litecoin is actually doing fairly well in this bear market. The 10 cryptos that have been mauled by bears. Comparatively, the cryptocurrencies most negatively affected by the bear market in descending order include Zcash, 96.07%, Bitcoin Gold, minus 89%, Ardor, minus 88.95%, Siacoin, minus 88.2%, Verge, minus 88.36%, Tron, minus 88.14%, NEM, minus 86.74%, Cardano, 85.73%, Bitcoin 85%, and H-Share 85%. Interestingly, Zcash, a cryptocurrency focused on greater privacy and anonymity, has experienced the biggest losses from its all-time highs, unlike its closest rival, Monero. It appears that investors aren't as enamored with Zcash, despite it having its own Barry Silbert-backed investment fund and some big-name supporters, including Edward Snowden. Bitcoin Gold, meanwhile, appears to be lacking demand for the solution that this Bitcoin variant is offering. Seemingly, investors aren't buying that mining centralization is much of a problem with Bitcoin right now, and BTG has been on a downtrend, albeit a few pumps, since it forked off from Bitcoin back in November. Most of the others included in this list are relatively new in the space, such as Cardano, launched just last October 2017. This could explain such precipitous drops due to underdeveloped communities and overall support. Finally, others such as Tron have been leveraging their marketing skills, getting listed on exchanges, and entering into partnerships rather than showcasing actual working products, resulting in weak fundamentals and pump and dump price action. While this should be by no means be taken as trading advice, looking at which cryptocurrency is able to stand on its own in bear markets could be of some use for traders in the future. Once again, it appears that the best bet is always Bitcoin, but others like Monero, Litecoin, and a handful of others could also be considered the next time the bears bite. What cryptocurrencies would you consider holding during the next market downtrend? Let us know in the comments below. This has been your host, Winklefloss Nakamoto. Thank you for watching and listening. Links will appear in the description below. This has been the OhioBitcoin.com channel live feed. Please visit our site, OhioBitcoin.com, for live, real-time cryptocurrency statistics on over 1,500 crypto coins. If you like viewing and listening to content like this and want to see more like it, please like, share, or subscribe below. It'll help us to get more views. We'll be right back with more from the Ohio Bitcoin channel, today's crypto, in just a moment.
Want to take your ad campaign to the next level? Advertise today with OhioBitcoin.com. Extending our availability to advertisement campaigns and blockchain-related businesses. Take advantage of an ever-growing network that connects the cryptosphere with the public spectrum. Your content will be reassured to reach the correct target audience with our advanced metric system of viewer engagements. Take your campaign to the next level with Ohio Bitcoin, offering a wide range of available plans, engagement tiers, and constructed promotional options. Reach the right audience time after time. For more info, head to OhioBitcoin.com/advertise.
Okay, we're back. Sorry about that delay. So let's get right into it. The cryptocurrency market has dropped 25 billion. Bitcoin is below $8,500. Bitcoin has fallen below the 8,500 mark nearly 24 hours after surpassing 9,000. Nothing new here, really. The entire cryptocurrency market has dropped 25 billion, and analysts suspect that the abrupt market decline was fueled by FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt surrounding Binance. The market slumps. Earlier this week, Japanese mainstream media outlet Nikkei reported that Binance was warned by the Japanese Financial Services Agency for serving local investors on its platform. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency-only exchange, operates internationally, serving millions of users in different regions. Hence, it is obvious that users in Japan could trade on the Binance trading platform as they can trade on Upbit, Bittrex, Poloniex, or any other cryptocurrency-only exchanges. However, Nikkei reported that criminal charges will be filed against Binance if the exchange fails to halt Japanese operations, and the misrepresentation of the situation led to the market panic. Changpeng Zhao, the CEO at Binance, released a statement to reassure its users and investors that the report of Nikkei was irresponsible and that the Binance team has been communicating with the FSA for a while. Quote, Nakai showed irresponsible journalism. We are in constructive dialogues with Japan FSA and have not received any mandates. It does not make any sense for JFSA to tell a newspaper before telling us while we have an active dialogue going on with them. No need to worry. Some negative news often turn out to be positive in the long term. Chinese have a proverb for this. New, often better opportunities always emerge during times of change. Almost immediately after the Binance situation was made public, the market dropped $25 billion. But while the Binance FUD may have contributed to the decline of the cryptocurrency market, it also could have been coincidence, as it's not realistic to claim that an exchange's compliance with one region led the market to decline by around 10% overnight. Throughout the past few weeks, the cryptocurrency market has demonstrated a similar pattern in that the market has declined 10 to 15%, recovered from the correction, and drops again by 5 to 10%. It is more likely that whales in the cryptocurrency market are manipulating the price of cryptocurrencies, especially those with weak volumes, than a single exchange in Binance, causing the market to fail. The Binance situation can also be considered as a positive movement for the company, given that this will provide opportunity for Binance to operate legitimately as a regulated financial service provider within Japan to serve the second largest cryptocurrency exchange market in Japan. The short-term trend, if Binance was the sole cause of the recent correction, the market should have bounced back immediately after Binance CEO CZ and the company issued statements to clear the FUD. However, the market has stayed in the same position over the past 12 hours, and Bitcoin is still hovering around 8,500. At the time of this video, the price, according to OhioBitcoin.com, is currently at 83.10. As Bitcoin and the other major cryptocurrencies did last week, once volumes began to pick up on large exchanges, the cryptocurrency market will likely be able to recover to its previous level. So, there's that, and we'll take you to commercial, and we'll be right back.
Want to take your ad campaign to the next level? Advertise today with OhioBitcoin.com. Extending our availability to advertisement campaigns and blockchain-related businesses. Take advantage of an ever-growing network that connects the cryptosphere with the public spectrum. Your content will be reassured to reach the correct target audience with our advanced metric system of viewer engagements. Take your campaign to the next level with Ohio Bitcoin, offering a wide range of available plans, engagement tiers, and constructed promotional options. Reach the right audience time after time. For more info, head to ohiobitcoin.com/advertise.
Okay, we're back. So we got a couple more articles here for you. Let's get right into it. Zhao Dong recounts how he lost 9,000 BTC. Famed Chinese OTC Bitcoin trader Zhao Dong recently shared the story of how he first entered the Bitcoin markets, the losses he incurred, and his views on speculation in the cryptocurrency markets. Zhao Dong, the founder of Defund, has in recent years risen to prominence as one of China's largest OTC traders. However, early in his trading career, Mr. Dong would incur losses that drove him to contemplate suicide. An interview published by Weixin states that Zhao Dong first entered the cryptocurrency markets with approximately 10 million yuan, roughly 1.58 million USD. He followed the bull market quickly, shortly leading Zhao Dong to open heavily leveraged positions. As a consequence, Zhao Dong found himself 60 million yuan, nearly 9.5 million USD in debt to friends for whom he was informally managing the money of, after losing 9,000 Bitcoin in a single day during February 2014. Despite questioning his will to live, Zhao Dong decided to persevere. During 2014, Zhao Dong states that he lost nearly 150 million yuan, almost 23.7 million USD, due to his decision to open one of the largest Bitcoin mines in China, immediately preceding the onset of 2014's cryptocurrency bear season. Zhao Dong states that his mining operations were based in Shenzhen Inner Mongolia, Sichuan, and Shenzhen. As a consequence of tumbling BTC prices, significant establishment costs, and mounting repayments to creditors, Zhao states that the bitcoins dug in every day couldn't afford even the electricity bills. In 2015, Zhao states that he was forced to liquidate his mining operations, which saw him receive only 3 million yuan, $474,000 USD for hardware that initially cost him 8 million. Zhao discourages retail Bitcoin speculation. Despite his reputation as an OTC trader, Zhao rejects the notion that he is a professional speculator. Zhao states that he doesn't do technical analysis. I'm not a speculator. In fact, I've always been a small profit maker, and I'm not a speculator. Looking back on his experiences, Mr. Dong emphasizes risk management as the most important thing for traders to observe. Before attributing a quote to Mark Zuckerberg, not risking is the biggest risk, but adventure plus risk control is perfect. Zhao seeks to discourage retail traders from entering cryptocurrency markets, stating, quote, honestly, if you are not a professional speculator, then I suggest that you do not want to invest in speculation. For most of the speculation, losing money is almost inevitable. It's like going to a casino, end quote. In spite of up and down experiences with Bitcoin, Zhao describes BTC as comprising, quote, far more than just a technology, end quote, adding that, quote, Bitcoin, quote, will have a profound impact on human history. Bitcoin is the first time in human history to use technical means to ensure that private property is sacred and inviolable. Do you speculate or hodl? Share your preferred trading style in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and listening. Links will appear in the descriptions below. This has been the OhioBitcoin.com channel live feed. Please visit our site, OhioBitcoin.com, for live, real-time cryptocurrency statistics on over 1,500 crypto coins. If you like viewing and listening to content like this and want to see more, please like, share, or subscribe below. It helps us to get more views. I am your humble host, Winklefloss Nakamoto, with my co-hosts Dr. Monero and Joey Satoshi, reminding you, don't go full YOLO unless you're ready to drive a Lambo.